Success or failure isn't built in a day. It's shaped by small daily habits. Every great achiever will tell you, nothing changes overnight, but consistent actions create unstoppable momentum. The real enemy? Excuses like, I'll do it tomorrow. Today's story is about a young boy who dreamed of becoming someone important, yet his life was disorganized. He believed that maybe, one day, his life would suddenly transform. But life is not a movie where everything changes in a single scene. So listen carefully till the end, because perhaps these few minutes could be the beginning of a new habit in your own life. In a quiet town lived a boy named Sam. Sam was an average student, neither exceptional nor poor, but he carried big ambitions. He wanted to be successful. His biggest problem, however, was lack of discipline. He often left tasks incomplete, ignored minor responsibilities, and found it difficult to stick to a routine. Despite his dreams, Sam never took serious action. He made countless big plans, but never followed through. Whether it was studying, exercising, or learning a new skill, his excuse was always, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. His parents and teachers constantly advised him to be consistent and disciplined, yet their advice didn't have much impact. Sam believed that only large efforts could create big results, and since such huge efforts intimidated him, he never tried sincerely. One day, Sam met a wise mentor in the town. Observing Sam's struggles, the mentor smiled and asked, "Do you know the true secret of success?" Curious, Sam shook his head. The mentor said, "Success doesn't come from doing something extraordinary in one day. It comes from small daily habits." Then he shared a story. Long ago, a farmer planted a bamboo seed. Every day, he watered it and cared for it. Yet after 1 year, nothing happened. 2 years passed, and still no growth. Other plants flourished, but the bamboo seed looked lifeless. Many mocked the farmer, saying he was wasting his time. But he kept believing and nurturing it. Then, in the 5th year, something miraculous occurred. Within just 6 weeks, the bamboo shot up 80 feet tall. The farmer smiled and said, "Everyone thought nothing was happening. But underground, the seed was growing strong roots to support its future height." Success in life works the same way. Small habits may look insignificant at first, but they quietly create the foundation for great achievements. Hearing this, Sam reflected deeply. He realized he had been waiting for sudden big changes, while neglecting the smaller habits that could actually shape his future. He asked, "Sir, what kind of habits should I begin with?" The mentor smiled and replied, "Let me share a few life-changing habits. Listen carefully. First, wake up early. Rising just 1 hour earlier each day gives you 365 extra hours in a year. Imagine how much you can accomplish with that time." Sam had never thought of time this way, so he decided to wake up early and use those hours for growth. Second, read daily. Reading 10 pages a day means finishing at least 15 books a year. Those books can transform your thinking, knowledge, and direction in life. Sam enjoyed stories, but had never tried self-development books, so he began reading a little each day. Third, set small goals. If you write only 200 words daily, you will finish an entire book in a year. Just as drops of water form an ocean, small efforts accumulate into something vast. Inspired, Sam started setting small daily goals instead of waiting for big dreams. Fourth, avoid procrastination. Whenever you feel like delaying, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and act immediately. Or tell yourself you'll do it for just 2 minutes. This simple trick pushes you into action. After applying this, Sam found he no longer postponed tasks, he finished them right away. Fifth, practice gratitude. Every night, write 3 things you are thankful for in a journal. This shifts your mindset from complaining to appreciating. At first, Sam found it silly, but with consistency, he became more positive and happier. Sixth, exercise for 10 minutes daily. Even short exercise at home is better than endlessly waiting for the perfect gym day. It keeps both body and mind strong. Seventh, reduce phone usage. Each time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, is this helping me grow or just wasting time? Games and endless scrolling on social media drain precious hours. Set a strict limit and use the rest of your time productively. Sam realized he had been wasting far too many hours online and began using that time more wisely. Over the following months, Sam practiced these habits. At first, nothing seemed different, but after 3 or 4 months, he noticed real changes. His concentration sharpened, his studies improved, and his confidence grew. By the year's end, Sam had transformed into a disciplined and responsible person. He no longer waited for life-changing moments. Through small daily habits, he built the solid base for success. Years later, Sam became a respected entrepreneur. People often asked him, "What's the secret to your success?" He would smile and reply, "Big results come from small habits." Success is not about luck or talent. It's about consistent daily actions. If you want to change your life, don't wait for a grand opportunity. Start with small steps. Like the bamboo, your efforts may not show at first, but with patience and persistence, your growth will exceed imagination. Now, reflect and share which small habit will you start today. If you believe this story could help others, like and share it with friends, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. I'll return soon with another lesson. Until then, stay patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward.